Modern farms don't lack data, they lack clear decisions. AI digital agronomy advisors turn complex field data into concrete actions farmers can trust. Unlike traditional farm software that only shows charts, AI advisors analyze data, apply agronomic logic, and recommend what to do next automatically. AI models simulate yield under different scenarios, changing nitrogen rates, hybrids, or irrigation timing, so farmers plan proactively instead of guessing. By analyzing soil zones, yield history, disease pressure, and climate forecasts, AI recommends the best performing crop or hybrid for each field. AI calculates optimal fertilizer and spray rates per zone, generates variable rate maps, and helps reduce overuse while protecting yield and margins. Real-time weather and disease models trigger alerts, delay spraying, adjust irrigation, or prepare for stress conditions before losses occur. Mobile-first tools support offline scouting, voice input, and field-ready workflows because decisions happen in the field, not the office. AI digital agronomy advisors combine data, automation, and agronomic intelligence to protect yield, reduce waste, and make modern agriculture truly scalable. Every farm operates differently. Talk to us about building an AI digital agronomy advisor tailored to your data, crops, and operational goals.